Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload a video. Alright y'all, so today we have another brown sugar box unboxing, and this is for the month of July. Like every month, I'm always super excited to see what goodies are included in this box. I had a couple people reach out and was like, I got my box, and I was like, please don't tell me what's in it, because I love a good surprise. I don't want to know. So I normally give you like a whole lot of background on what the brown sugar box means, but I'm not going to do that from here on out because I've had several videos at this point now, so I'll be sure to include previous videos if you just want some historical information. Just know that this is a Black-owned business, and this subscription box is for people of color. Well, I guess technically it's for anyone, but it's definitely for people of color. Alright, so as I always mention, they always include a nice little magazine. And the magazine usually has like some really nice topics, as well as all of the items that could potentially be included in your box. Alright, so anywho, this is what the little magazine looks like this month. And some of the topics are a beginner's guide to meditation, taking it back home, African spices to have at the cookout, why we can't get enough of blood and water on Netflix. The ultimate Afro beats playlist. That sounds cool. And 4 ways to recharge in our political climate. So this is the Heritage Edition, as you can see here. Pretty cool. And I always like to just, oh, look at this melanin. This chick is so beautiful. I'm sorry. Gorgeous. I just love that. Sorry. I digress. It always includes a listing of all of the products along with the price and a description. So it looks like it's going to be some really cool products. Oh, wow. Now, I'm not the feature of the month, but I see myself in this magazine again. Ow. So last month, they featured me like over here as the congratulations, and I was super excited. But at least, look, I'm still in here. Look at this. Thank you, Izzy and Liv. Y'all are so awesome. Oh, my goodness. And look at all of this beautiful melanin. I just love it, y'all. See if there's anybody else I recognize. All right. I ain't gonna, look, I'm taking up y'all time. Hello. I'm on your time, right? Come on. All right. So let's dive into the box. Now, every month, they always include a nice little t-shirt. And let's see what this month's t-shirt is. Well, first, maybe I should read about it. I'm going to try to read about it before I show you. So, this is Culture Confidence Soul Tee for $25. Ooh, cute. Let's see here. Ooh. Oh, look at that. That's actually really pretty. Very nice. I like that. So, y'all know y'all going to be seeing this in an upcoming video very soon. I always wear my shirts in my YouTube videos. I always wear them because I love them. I love statement shirts. Y'all see them on my channel all the time. I'm always wearing a shirt that says something, that means something. I just love it. So what we got next? This is a Nubian royalty tribal card set, and the retail value for this is $6. I'm not sure what it is yet. I'm just pulling it out. Oh, how gorgeous. Look at this. So what exactly is this? Your descendants are royalty. Your ancestors have always been kings and queens. Appreciate every element of your heritage with this enlightening Nubian royalty tribal card set. Trace your DNA and find your tribe in partnership with African ancestry. Look at that. Do they all say something different? They do. Amazing women of North Africa. Oh, this is awesome. I can't pronounce this. Kibuyu women of East Africa. Oh, the culture. I gotta actually take time and read this. Zulu women of South Africa. And see, it gives you all the information on the back. So I'm definitely gonna take some time and get cultured. You know, that's important. Fulani women of West Africa. Very nice, y'all. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to read these. It might even encourage me to do a little digging on my African ancestry. All right, so next up we have Wrapped in Beauty tie-on or elastic headbands. And they are $15 each, and they come in 4 different colors. This is the one that I have. Very pretty. Look at this teal color, y'all. Teal, purple, and orange. All right, let me pop it open real quick. Oh, this is cute. You best believe I can see myself wearing this, honey. With the quickness. I will pull all my hair out, but it's just going to be too much work to try to pull it back out. So I'm just going to leave it like this for now, just so you get the idea. This is so cute. Nice prints. Woo. Very nice. And these are some of the other colors that are included. Alright, so next up, as you might have just seen in the magazine, is the Ace Accents African Print Sunglasses and Case. $26. I really thought it was just a case. I didn't know they had the sunglasses in here too. Nice. So this is the case, which is beautiful. Like, I love this kind of cultured stuff. Oh, it's so cute. Let's see what these glasses look like. Oh, it's like in the same pattern as the case. That's cute. Let's see here. Oh, love. Let me get them straight on my head. My lashes are too long. Oh, so cute. Come in.
You were doing?
Oh,
okay.
Oh, okay. You like. My son said, oh, okay. My son like this. Okay. Thank you, son. These are cute. You best believe these will be worn. Alright, so the last item I have is Hues of Heritage Print Canvas Bag for $39. It's like a little all-purpose bag. It could be a lunch bag, it could be a little cute purse. Like, this is definitely all-purpose. Ooh, look at this cute print. Very nice. Let's see. Nice and spacious. It has a couple of pockets and the strap. Comes with a strap. A little zipper side pocket. And that's it. This is nice and spacious bag. Very cute. Let me show you the other colors. These are the different colors. And I didn't show you the different colors in the sunglass cases, but these are them at the top. Alright, so this month we ended up with 5 items, and this month's box retails for $111. Still well worth it for all of the goodies and the price points of the goodies that you receive in this box. Again, this box is a monthly subscription for $39.95 or $99, I'm not sure. $39.95 or $39.99, I'm not sure. I'll put it on the screen. I'll also link all of the information down in the description box below. Please be sure to check them out because they have some amazing products, even outside of what you receive in these monthly boxes. Just check out the site. I myself have just picked up some random things that really didn't have anything to do with the boxes, like home decor items and everything. Like, I love this site. Some amazing products. I'm actually quite pleased with this month's box. I do feel like, I guess maybe I'm waiting around because my favorite box thus far was the May box. And oh my God, it was because it was so many good smelling items that y'all probably thought I was exaggerating, but that was my favorite box thus far. So I am just waiting and anticipating some more smell good products because they do the dang thing on these smells. Oh my goodness. But this box was nice too. I appreciate the month of July's box as well. Alright guys, I really don't have anything else. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed some of the products that was sprinkled in this month. Again, big shout out to Izzy and Liv, who are the owners and founders of this brown sugar box. I truly appreciate you guys putting a lot of thought behind items that work for us specifically. I appreciate it a lot. Alright guys, please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye y'all!